IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How has technology changed the way people communicate? Band 5. Answer.
Technology changed communication a lot. Because people now use phones and social media, it is faster than before, and people can talk anytime. However, sometimes people don't communicate deeply anymore.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, repetitive, basic vocabulary. Grammar, mostly correct but very simple. Pronunciation, likely clear but unremarkable. Typical of a Band 5, says something, but not much. Band 7.5 Answer.
Technology has significantly changed how people communicate, especially through instant messaging and video calls. Communication is much faster and more convenient, even across long distances. However, I think it has reduced face-to-face interaction, which can sometimes make conversations less personal.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, clear progression of ideas. Lexical resource, good range, significantly, convenient. Grammar, mostly accurate with some complexity. Pronunciation, generally natural. Typical of a Band 7.5, balanced, clear, and sensible. Band 9 Answer.
Technology has completely transformed communication by making it instant, global, and largely digital. While this has increased efficiency and connectivity, it has also changed the quality of interaction, as people often prioritize speed over meaningful conversation. In many cases, communication is more frequent, but less thoughtful.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and well-structured. Lexical resource, precise and flexible. Grammar, fully controlled and varied. Pronunciation, natural and confident. Typical of a Band 9, says more in fewer words and means it. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.